So sometimes in these questions you're going to be asked to sort data, and one of the most common ways you're going to be asked to sort data is by surname and first name, or first name, last name, that kind of thing. If you need to sort by two fields or two columns, the best thing to do is look at the question, because the question will usually give you a clue. For example, the question we're looking at here is the June 2018 Level 2 ICT Functional Skills. And the question actually says, sort the data into alphabetical order of first name within alphabetical order of last name. Now, the word within is a clue in this question. A little trick is whatever comes after within is the first thing you're going to sort by, and I'll demonstrate that. We need to use a sort function. There are some sort functions over here. We've got sort and filter on this editing tab here. There's a sort A to Z, sort Z to A, so that's an alphabetical or reverse alphabetical. And just to demonstrate, if I go into the last name, click on this and then click on sort A to Z, it will actually pick up the whole table and it will put those into order, which is great. However, we've got a potential problem here. For instance, things like the Winton Jean, or Jean Winton, comes before Victor Winton, which is what we'd expect, but then Michael Winton is after V for Victor, so that's not in order. And this question specifies that we need to be able to sort both of these. Now, if I were to go back here and go, alright, well, I'll sort by first name now, that then puts these into order, but we lose the sort order of these, so we end up with M before A, for example, which is no good either. So what we need to do in this sort of instance is to use what's called a two-level sort. So to do that, we select all of the data and the header, and then we go to our sort and filter option, but we want the custom sort this time. And if you look, this opens up a window. There's three boxes here: column, which is set to first name at the moment; sort on, cell values, we always want to leave that for the exam, we just want to leave that as cell values; order A to Z. The other thing you've got here is this: my data has headers. If you've included the titles in your data to sort, you should have this ticked. Otherwise, what happens is instead of coming up with first name, it will just say column A. Column B. Instead of last name, it will say column A. Instead of age, it will say column C, and so on. So to make life a little bit easier, we make sure that's on. It usually is by default. Now we want to sort this one by first name within alphabetical order of last name. So, well, you might say, okay, well, I'll do first name. How do I add the last name bit in? We need to click on add level. And you can see that what we've got here is it says sort by first name, then by last name. So what that would give us, and I'll demonstrate that, if I go to last name there, it's in A to Z order, alphabetical order, so that's okay. Now if I click on OK, what will happen is it will put the first names will stay the same, but then it will sort any duplicates, any people who've got the same name, it will then sort them into order. So for instance, we've got Thomas here, and it's actually put Patterson in front of Peters. That's not actually what we're after though. What we want is these surnames, or the last names, in order, and then anyone with the same surname are then sorted after that by their first name. So we'll go back to here, do a custom sort, and the trick is whatever comes after within in your question is the first thing in here. So our question says sort the data into alphabetical order of first name within alphabetical order of not last name. So I'm going to put last name in there and then first name in here. Make sure this is alphabetical order, so A to Z. Now when I click on OK, it will put all the surnames starting with A first, and so on, and it will do that until it gets to the highest alphabetical value. And you notice here we've got Ahmed Ann, Ahmed Nareen, Ahmed Said. So this is following an alphabetical order. And also down in the Wintons, we've got Winton Jean, Michael and Victor. So we've sorted that now by first name, but within the sort result of doing a last name sort. So the trick is, remember, whatever comes after within is the first thing you put in your custom sort.